Now we'll move on to next speaker, Sri Rajendran, SIRC RRCAT Indore. He will be talking on a study of TRJ4, title report journal requests by OIOP, year of publication, excluding open access gold usage data. Sri Rajendran, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all, and thanks for
Good
the
evening.
opportunity. So my video won't be available. My camera has some problem in my camera.
The PPT is visible.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can proceed. I think.
yeah. Okay, thank you. My presentation is this a study about the J4 title reports and request of OOP. That's a year of publication excluding gold open access usage data. See, my library is spending about 90% of the budget for online channel subscription. So to understand the journal usage pattern of our users, this study has been conducted. And also, I have used this counter 5 complaint usage. This is a counter 5 complaint usage report based on this publisher administrator website. I have downloaded data from all 10 publisher website. The counter complaint report, publisher report, helps us to make the renewal decision and a new purchase decision. It also values the library and its resources. Users' behavior and users' usage pattern also can be known through this kind of study. This is this is my abstract, but anyhow I will go through in the next few slides. This is for just information I have shown here. So the main objectives of my study is to find out the year of publication of downloaded papers, and also online letters that are widely used and infrequently used, number of downloads by publisher, and as well as number of downloads by platform. So this counter 5 complaint report only downloaded. The counter 5 complaint report was mandatory for all the publishers since the year 2019, and I have only downloaded 2020 usage data because some publishers still have to implement upload the data of 2019. So only I have taken the 2020 usage data of 10 publishers. The publisher from where we have downloaded data are American Chemical Society, American AIP, American Institute of Physics, SPI, and IEEE journals, and also OSA journals, etc., etc. So that the data I have downloaded in CSV file format and accumulated all the downloaded data in a single file. Then in the metric type, there are two different types of metrics. One is unique item request and another one is title item request. In the title item request, total number of times full text of a content item was downloaded or viewed is stored. Whereas in the unique item request, only number of unique item requests by a user was only stored. So I have taken only this unique item records for the study and excluded some of the records because in some record the year of publications was shown as 999. Those why it is 9,449 because if it is there is no volume number, there is no issue number or year of publications, and it is forthcoming. It will be published in the forthcoming issues. Online first papers. Those papers not yet received any volume number or any. These things are the year of publication as shown as 999. So I have excluded those papers. I mean downloaded papers from for this study. After excluding all those things, there were 7,856 records, and whereas 48 for 50,000 downloads total together. This is the pattern of usage by our user. See, our users have used the article from 1852 to till 2021. So, but the recent article used very highly, that you can see in the graph. So the percentage of download from top, so sorry. See, 40.39% of journal are downloaders of articles downloaded from 2027 to 2017 to 2021, and whereas only before 2000 published article was used only 4.41%. 82.31% of papers downloaded after which are published in 2000, which shows that our users are highly dependent on current information and covering current articles, current journal papers. Next, I move on to next slide, that is journal usage pattern of our users. The first graph is the overall downloaded papers report, graph, whereas here only top 200 journals. In the second graph, I have shown only top 200 downloaded papers and its rank. Top five journals alone have downloaded 27.04%, and 25 journals from where 56.08% of downloads took place in the last 2020. Journals from 100 plus papers downloaded has current subscription as well as perpetual access. Physical review B was the highly used journal from our library user, by our library user. Journal, this J4 includes both subscribed and unsubscribed journal usage data, because once you have registered IP addresses in the publisher website, some journal, apart from the subscribed journals, some journals papers are available free, not fully but partially, or some of the 1 or 2 articles. So those articles also counted as in the JR4 report. So when we downloading, it shows both subscribed and unsubscribed journals data, but the top most used journals are our subscribed journals. Naturally, what it would be top most frequently, 25 most frequently used journals are here listed in the table. See, 56.80%, 56.80% of download from top 25 journals alone. That is 450 plus downloads in the last year itself, and 43.20% of download from remaining journals. This is the publisher and platform-wise paper downloader. See, there is actually 47 publisher journals available in the 10 platform, and the publisher have different publisher in different international locations, but they are keeping it in these 10 platforms. Journals are published.
I have 2 more minutes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'll finish it.
Okay.
Journals are published different international location by the publisher, but made available in a single platform. So I come to the next slide. That this is my last slide. My findings and conclusions are: user prefers online resources over print, and the users depend highly on e-journals. Recent and few years old papers frequently used. Continuation of course journals subscription is necessary to meet information needs of our user. Elsevier Science Direct online journals are highly used among all. Subscription list prepared. This is subscription list I have to prepare, submit it to the committee for taking decision, renewal decision. So I have prepared, included all these kind of reports, and submitted the reports. The committee will review the report and take the decision, appropriate decision for the renewal process. So after approval, we will renew our subscription thing. Okay, anyhow, thank you very much. Thank you very much for organizers and Mala. Thank you for one and all.
Thank you, Sri Rajendran.
Yes, sir.
A nice lecture on the general search, and it will be useful for taking some important management decisions based on the usage statistics and so on.
Yes, sir.
Now, any questions from the audience, please? Okay, if there are no questions, once again, I thank